Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the pothole detection and recognition using machine learning. So in that project user have to upload any input video and the model will recognize the pothole and it will give the output sound like where is the pothole in the center, left and right. So let's explore it. This is the input video which we are passing, and then according to that video we'll make the output. Okay, and this is the audio.
Pothole center.
This audio for the center, and this is for the left.
Pothole left.
Okay, and this is for the right.
Pothole right.
Okay, so let's run the code, and this is the requirement file which we have to install those libraries. Okay, when you have to run the code, so let's run the code. Like write cmd, then python space main new .py. So when we run the code, then it will detect the pothole in the left hand side, right hand side and center. The model is loading.
Pothole left.
It will show the height, width and direction.
Pothole left.
So we are giving input video which I already shown, and this is the output video.
Pothole left.
Like if we connect with internet, so it will show the latitude and longitude. Okay, so I'm just connecting with the internet. Okay, now it's show run none. Then if we connect with the internet, then it will show the longitude and latitude both. Okay, so let's again run the code. The model is loading, YOLO Visan model. Okay, now it shows the latitude and longitude both.
Pothole left.
Okay, this video work like that.
Pothole left. Pothole left.
Okay, so result is stored here. Let's check the result. Okay, so this will be the output video. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.